Holy shit, look at that. Quick, get the camera out. Wow, I've never seen so many Corellas in my life. Look at them all. Amazing, look at that. Oh, haven't had a bunch of twisties for so long. This is awesome. After all those straight roads, man, this is awesome. Oh, is this not the best road ever? Wow, yeah, baby, this is awesome. Oh, Horrocks Pass, you were awesome! Oh my god, how good was that? Man, that was so good. And then you got all this to check out as well now. You got all these massive wind farms. Look at that, huge, man. Might get the drone up for this one.
Okay, so when it comes to renewable energy, here in South Australia, they do things bigger and better. Welcome to Sundrop Solar Farm. It's a solar farm, but not as you know it. It has a sea of 23,000 mirrors reflecting the power of the sun to the top of the tower. Imagine the intensity up the top there. And if that doesn't impress you, then maybe this will. Bungala Solar Farm, the biggest solar farm in the Southern Hemisphere.
Okay, now remember also on day one I rode under the mighty impressive Lighthorse Interchange in Sydney with its intricate web of underpasses and overpasses and on-ramps and off-ramps and that. And I said there was another more impressive one later on. Oh, check this bad boy out. Wow, look at that. Far more simple, just a left or a right, but the difference is, well, the more impressive thing is, it's 5,000 Ks from Perth to Darwin. It's 5,000 Ks.
5,000 kilometres. Wow, what an intersection.
Wow, man, it's going to, there's lightning and thunder and the clouds are black as can be, so I've got to just make sure that everything's all covered up. Wow, it's pouring it down over there. Man, it's bucketing down and I'm heading straight for it. Gonna need to stop for some fuel up here and also check out some interesting sights as well. This is Kimber, small little town, but it's a very sneaky little town. You'll see just how sneaky in a second. Halfway across Australia. And the big galah. Well, the sneakiness is we're not actually halfway across Australia. They're telling porcupines, cheeky buggers. But what gives it away is the big galah. Now remember, if you're a galah, you're a fool to believe that you're halfway across Australia. So know your galahs and don't be a galah when you're in Kimber. Well, this is awkward. I just googled Kimber and it is halfway across Australia from Brizzy, not from Sydney. So apologies, Kimber. Turns out I'm the galah. The other big tourist attraction are the silos, the silo art here, which is bloody fantastic, really. Look at that. Oh, amazing.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine?
Alright, I'm just going to unhitch here because I'll never get to the rest of this. There you go.
Let's not waste time.
Okay, so I checked into the hotel at Pildappa, and one of the main attractions here is Pildappa Rock, which from what I've seen on the internet, it's kind of like a mini Uluru or a mini Wade Rock, so it's pretty spectacular. Oh man, I had to stop. Look at that. Wow, I hope it's coming through on the camera. The sun's beaming through a little spot in the clouds there, and then there's torrential rain there as well. Come on, I hope this works, this photo. Oh my god, that's a brilliant photo. Wow, wow, wow.
Let's not waste time, we'll take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two.
This is Pildappa Rock. Wow. It is, it's like a mini Uluru. That's awesome. Wow. Far out. Yes. Yes. Awesome.
Alright, I better get the drone up before the light disappears.
Take off. Let's not waste time, we'll take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two.
Okay, so the sun's just popped out through the clouds and it's got this awesome orange glow, so even though I've packed up the drone, I'm going to have to get it back out again.
Let's not waste time, we'll take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one